Okay, come to have a look at the old sort of railway sidings. I've seen the video and I didn't realise it was actually something you couldn't get into anymore. There you are, look, the fencing's new. It's open today because it's been some sort of party. Don't know if it's a legal or an illegal one, I'm not quite sure, but something's happening. Lots and lots of younger people. We're looking old, we'll say no more. We're looking at a place, so I think that would have been locked. It says railway, so we wouldn't have done it anyway, so there we go. That's annoying. We got the inside of the building, so best we're gonna get. Okay, just walked up here. We've got as far as the gate. We're not going any further. Even though there was nothing happening, that's as far as we'd have got. We always would have done the building. It was always open, but for now, there's so many people in cars everywhere. We've walked some distance because we couldn't come there. Just having a look at the water there. Yeah, so you'd have been stopped here anyway, even if it was a day when nothing was happening. So it's a video. I got what I got. Old railway sidings, fail. Okay, here we are at the first activity. Let's see what we can do. This will be interesting. Look, that's a disappointment. I don't go anywhere. Right, back we go. Okay, climb through the window. I could have gone through the door. Hard way of doing it, I'll do it. Doesn't go anywhere. Let's have another look round. Ah, that could be an entry point. Might have found an entry point. There's a hole in the wall. I'll have a look for the easier option. Ah, yeah, you can do it. Right, let's have a look round. Switch on pump, water tank. Have to be a little bit quick this. There's some sort of festival on, it's crawling with people unfortunately. It's going to be a quick one. Hopefully try and have a look at some railway lines. Ah, that was the way in we saw, yeah. I took the easier option. Okay, some sort of plant room. Yeah. Fuse boxes, yeah, gotta be there. Just rooms, have a quick look. We'll try and go look at some railway line. Ooh. Nice building, but yeah, it's gonna be a bit rough and ready, so I feel we need to get this done. I think there is an upstairs.
We're not in air radio traffic.
I'm doing it quick, I'm going upstairs, hang on. Right, Jason's outside, didn't want to come in. Have a quick look around. Toilets. Sure, tiles. Okay. See out the window now, I need to be a bit careful. I'm thinking toilets. Yeah, look at that. Evidence of toilet, there we go. Lots of graffiti, look. Pipe work. Not going to stay by the window too long, there is something happening. I thought it gets to ourselves, and unfortunately we haven't. Right, down we go. I think there's some toilets. Going to have a look at the toilets here. Hole in the roof. Yeah, there's been a bit of glass in there at one point, not anymore. Right, a bit rough and ready, I'm just leaving it going. Okay, guessing we're out the back. Plenty of ways in, look, not hard. First two rooms I got into just came to nowhere. Here we go. Did do this, I got to this end, didn't I? Yeah, I'm not so sure now. I think this is a different end. Let's get the light on. Quick look. It's going to be a quick whiz round. We need to get this done. It's toilets. There we are. Yeah, they are. Look, cubicle. Cupboard, electrics, fuse box. Okay, some sort of infrastructure there. There's the building. Just don't know how far we're going to get. It's really awkward. It's teeming with people. There's been some sort of party here. Long day. Thought Easter Day would be nice and quiet. Not. Yeah, a bit of some water. Blocked it off that way. Yeah, you can get as far as this. This is okay, then it all comes to a stop. That's annoying, something's happening. Old dog looking in the back. Okay, lots and lots of cars. There's Jason just walking away. It's been some sort of concert or some party. Bad day to be coming, so there we go, all over. So much happening. It's all kicking off. There's the building. There's your thing you want to do. So I think that's police over there. Plan on going under there, you see him parking sort of up here, but it didn't happen. All the roads are shut. We've walked to do something we can't do. A legal festival or concert, I'm not quite sure. Okay, tried for a second choice of road when the sat-nav rerouted. Come out of road to this road and that one's shut. So in the end we had to walk. So cars everywhere, all up the dirt track, right to where this music festival was. We're here, so all good fun. Come to nothing anyway, so explore over, let's go home.